Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to transfer from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. Which site to transfer any crypto token. Therefore first open your Bitget Wallet. As soon as you open the Bitget Wallet, an interface like this will appear in front of you. First, you will need to click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, options like new deposit or withdraw will appear, so click on it. Next, you need to select the network for transfer. Here I select the Solana network. You may choose any network you prefer. Since mine is Solana, I select the Solana network. After that, you need to select which token you want to deposit. If you want to deposit USDT, then I click on USDT. After that, some options will appear on the screen. Here you can see an address. Click here to copy it. Just like you copy the address, then proceed to withdraw from the wallet. And open Bitget Exchange. After that, an interface will appear before you. First, you need to click on your assets. After whatever token you selected in Bitget, you will need to deposit that token or your chosen token in the wallet. So I selected USDT in the wallet, so here I deposit USDT. After that, you need to click on USDT again. After clicking on USDT, you have to click on withdraw. After that, a page will appear before you. So here you have to paste the Bitget wallet address. After pasting, you have to choose the network again, which network you chose in the Bitget wallet. And you need to choose the same network here as well. So here I select Sol because I also chose the Sol network in the Bitget wallet. After that, you have to specify the full amount you want to transfer. So I enter $100. After that, you need to click on confirm, then the transfer will be successful. This way you can transfer from Bitget Exchange to Bitget Wallet. You can transfer any crypto token.